Hello students. So in today's class we will learn how to find the nth term of given sequences. Right. And sequences, we have two types of sequences, or you can say the usually two kinds of sequences they have in a grade 10 or 11 GCSE exam board AQA. Right. So the sequences that you're gonna see in the examination, which are two, what they are, the linear sequences and the quadratic sequences. So we're gonna have two types of sequences in the examination. So linear and then quadratic. Linear is pretty simple, right? And let's focus on the quadratic sequences because I have already taught you about the linear sequences and all that. So we have a question over here. You can see find the nth term of the these sequences, right? So let's do it. Like how we're gonna do it? Let me just make it a little bit larger, and it's fine. Again, fine. So the first step include, first we need to find the differences among each the terms. You can see 4 to 7, which is plus 3. No need to write plus 3, just 3, right? Second would be 5, next would be 7, next would be 9, next would be 11. We don't need actually, right? Okay, fine. As you can see, the first difference, right? The first difference are not same, which means the given terms are from quadratic sequences. So how are we gonna solve it? Because we have to find the nth term. Okay, so let me erase it first. Okay, fine. Now let's find the second difference. Okay, so when you see the second difference, it's gonna be 2 plus 2, right? Again plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. Because the second difference are same, that is why the given sequences are quadratic sequences. Okay, fine. Now we have to find the nth term. That is the question. How are we gonna find it? To find it out, we have to start from the bottom. So we can write a formula. You can see over here, 2a will be equals to this, right? And next will be 3a plus b equals to this. Okay, and the next would be a plus b plus c equals to this. Okay, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Fine. Now see, let's simplify from the bottom. When we have equation number 1, let's do it. Let's equation number 1, equation number 2, and then equation number 3, right? Solve from the equation number 1. So we have 2a equals to 2. Got it? So when I simplify, a will be 1. Got it? Right? Okay. Now put the value of a in the equation number 2. So we have 3. Wait, my whiteboard is a little bit hanging up. I think so. Yes. It's coming up. Give me a minute. It's holding up. Okay, it's fine now. So we have 3a plus b equals to 3, right? So let's put the value. 3 times a is 1, plus b equals to 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus b equals to 3. So when I simplify, I'll get b equals to 0, right? Let's put this a and b in the equation number 1. So we have a plus b plus c, which is equals to 4, right? So a is 1 plus b is 0 plus c, what we need it out, 4. So 1 plus c equals to 4. So c will be equals to 3, right? So we have 3. I'm gonna write a b c at the top. and then I'll erase everything. So let's a equals to 1, b equals to 0, c equals to 3, right? Okay, now let me erase everything. Fine, because we need to write the nth term, because this is the quadratic sequences. So first we'll write the standard form of quadratic equation. So standard form of quadratic equation, right? We know that the an square plus bn plus c. I can also write ax square plus bx plus c, because we're learning over here nth term. That is why I'm taking the n as the independent variable. Got it? Okay, now see. Let's put the values. So a is 1. So 1 times n square plus 0 times n plus c is 3. So answer will be n square plus 3. So this will be the rule. This will be the nth term of the given sequences. You got it? Nth term of the given sequences. Let's check it whether it's correct or not. You can pick any given term. Let's say this term. Which term number is this? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means n equals to 5. So let's put the value of n in this given rule, or this nth term. Will I give 28 or not? Let's do that. So n square plus 3. 5 square plus 3. So 5 square is 25 plus 3, which is 28. So yes, it's correct. Right? It's absolutely correct. So this is gonna be our answer. That is it. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now let's move to the next type of the question. Okay, you can do this thing as a homework, right? Okay, fine. The question is find out the next two terms of the quadratic sequences. Okay, to solve this kind of question, actually you don't have to find the nth term. How you can do it? Let's do it. Because the knowledge is power, right? If you know how, if you have the knowledge, definitely you can do anything. Okay, fine. Now let's do it. Always find the differences, right? Or you can find the pattern. So because we have to find only the next two terms, so we just find the pattern. So pattern is what? If you see, if I move from 4 to 6, it's gonna be plus 2, right? Okay. Next 6 to 4 plus 4. Next you can see plus 6. Next plus 8. Next would be plus 10. Next would be plus 12. Because we need to find only next two terms. So plus 10. After 24, next would be plus 10 is 34. Very good. And next plus 12, which is 46, right? So yes, these are my next two terms. You got it? So when you need to find the nth term, you have to apply that formula. Okay, and when you find the next two terms of the given any sequences, whether it be the quadratic sequences or the linear equation, you have to find the pattern. Got it? So okay, this is done.